Hey, this is Free Hardcore Hysteria. This is a song I sang back in middle school before I even really knew how to sing yet for the talent show. And I'd like to dedicate this song to Anna, my favorite girl in the world. Here you go, Anna. Easy to feel like you're all alone. Feel like nobody knows the great that you are. Good that's inside you, trying so hard to break through. Maybe it's your time to lift off and fly. Maybe it's your time to lift off and fly. Don't know if you never try. I will be there with you all of the way. We'll be fine. Don't let anyone tell you that you're not strong enough. Don't give up. There's nothing wrong with just being yourself. That's more than enough. So come on and raise your voice. Speak your mind and speak your mind and make some noise. Sing, hey, 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 make some noise. Hey, hey, yeah. You want to be known, want to be heard, and know you are beautiful. Have so much to give, dreams you wanna live. Shout it out and let it show. That you have a diamond inside of your heart. Light this shine bright as the stars. Don't be afraid to be all that you are. You'll be fine. Don't let anyone tell you that you're not strong enough. Don't give up. There's nothing wrong with just being yourself. That's more than enough. So come on and raise your voice. Speak it loud and make some noise. Sing, hey, 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 make some noise. Hey, hey, yeah. You can't just sit back and watch the world change. Matters what you got to say. There's no one else who can stand in your place. Come on, it's never too late. Maybe it's your time to live up and fly. You won't know if you never try. And sing, hey, hey, make the noise. Hey, hey, yeah. Yeah, that was Make Some Noise by Hannah Montana, dedicated for you, Anna. I hope you enjoyed it, Anna, and I hope you guys liked it too.